So in this short little video, I just want to talk to you about the importance of black coloured pencils. They're not all the same, they all have different uses, and actually they are really key for drawing black animals. As you can see, I'm using colour in here as well, but predominantly I am using black, and I'm using two main brands of coloured pencil. I'm using the Polychromos black, which is the first one you saw, and then this one, which is the most fantastic pencil. This is the Derwent Drawing Ivory Black. It's very soft, it's very waxy, and you don't need to use a huge amount of pressure to be able to get a really lovely dark black on the paper. The slice tool will just slip straight through it beautifully, and then of course you can glaze in over the top with your colours and everything just to bring a little bit of vibrancy in there. This is on drafting film. This is one of my tutorials that I have for my foundations course. So what I tend to do is I swap between the different brands. If I need a really good sharp line, I'll use my Polychromos. If I need a little bit more depth, I will use my Derwent Drawing Ivory Black. I like to do everything with really light pressure, and using a pencil that enables me to use really lovely light pressure and still get a really dark black. For me, that's just everything, because you know, I don't have to then be thinking, oh god, I've got to go harder. In fact, it's very difficult not to get a dark black with that Derwent drawing. As you can see with the finished piece here, there's some beautiful dark blacks in here, really black blacks, but you've still got some of that lovely colour shining through as well.